Incoming Bitmex charts.
Hello today, and I'm going to do a quick rundown of 5 cryptos that are currently tradable versus BTC on Bitmex. First up is ADA. This is a 12-hour chart. What this looks like to me is a big pennant. If you want to be bullish, I would say, let's see, there's a 9, which would probably result in a sell-off, but there's plenty of time here for this sell-off to just be a sideways move into this lower line. It doesn't have to be like a... So this flag will either be the reverse if it breaks up and then probably comes back down and then goes up from there, or if it breaks out, then it does not look good. It would be another leg down. Let's shrink this. And it might stop. Well, here's how we can see where it might stop. Shrink. Might stop at this 88.6% retracement. It's a little unclear where to start this. Here, about the same. Maybe here. Not there. Probably here, so 0.137. Bitcoin Cash. It's kind of a weird looking chart. So where are we at now? We've hit a 9, it didn't stop it. Where's my indicator? One here did not stop it. It did for a while. And then you would definitely be out of that. 9 on the bottom. The bottom's supposed to go up to 13. The top goes to 9. So 1, 2, although the 2 is not below the 1, which is good. For this one, I'm going to zoom in. First, I'll zoom out. That was 12 hour. This is 1 day. That's not my arrow. That's an arrow for this 13. There's a 9. So, yeah, that's good. Possible turnaround point. It's not really bullish until it becomes a more evident turning point. This day has a lot of time left to go. So, if it gets above this, especially if this like trades up here, then goes above, then that looks pretty good, and that will get another yellow arrow too. 4 hour looks, let's see, at 12. To get this, you need like you would need one more candle to trade below the low of 2 candles prior. So like, if there's a sideways and then a drop down to here and a close down here, then it would be a 13. And now for my first guess, Barkley. What do you have to say? Stage fright. I didn't know I was being recorded. So anyway, yeah, possible buy for at least a little while. That's just what the chart is telling me anyway. I'll look at the hour. Kind of a buy, but you missed the buy point. Although it's a 9, which is good. 13 back there. Ethereum. Hang on. Daily. So yeah, this doesn't look like a good stopping point because it's like in the middle of line 1 and line 2. A 9, but it's already going lower, but this could be like a mini flag. 11, 12, almost a 13. Yeah, Barkley's got a very strong opinion about this. Oh, let's look at this here. That is a very good 88.6% retrace. And we got an arrow, which is moving up pretty aggressively. If this goes above this one, this red one, I would think that was very good. And the 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the candle after this one is above the close on this 8, it will turn into a green number, which is nice. So, maybe. I don't know. I just wait. Litecoin maybe is bullish. Let's see here. This is the daily. So you get like some flags. I prefer like a pennant to a flag, so that's why I tried to draw this line. It's not the most meaningful. I'm being licked on my hand right now. Flag, pole, flag. It broke up into a new flag. Break up again. I don't know. Everybody loves Litecoin. I wish this was on camera because the cat is right in front of the computer right now. So here is the 4-hour chart, and Litecoin is a hair past another hair. There's not many freckles on this beast. So we hit a 9 on this small rally, selling off. This looks like a good flag. So let's see, how many times did it retest the bottom? 1, 2. I mean, the last one doesn't usually retest, so I'm trying to decide if this is too soon, if the bottom should hit one. It should probably hit the top and then retest like midway. So Litecoin is kind of bullish versus Bitcoin. Let's just see what these numbers are doing. Yellow arrow, red arrow, but if the next candle is like all the way inside this candle, then to me that just is a rest and not like a turn. Last one, Ripple. Big move up, and I would just call this a flag. The question is, when does it end? Did it already end? It's not going to work out. I don't actually like the versus Bitcoin charts, but these are Bitmex trading options, and those are versus Bitcoin. So that's what you have to trade. So that's what these charts are going to be. So you could say it broke out to the upside, although it's spent so much time on this, it's probably going to break. Where is, let's do one of these thingies. And maybe break, hit that. That looks pretty good. How are these numbers? It looks like they just keep getting lower. Hit 9, going lower. Hit 9, going lower. This 13 was pretty close. Then there was that buy. So there's a buy right here, but that's pretty much nullified by this one, although there's probably going to be a new arrow on the next candle. See how that works out. So there you have it. My charts say probably don't trade anything. Maybe short something. I don't know. I don't like to short. My default viewpoint is that everything is going up. It's just a question of when. So yeah, make your own trades. Laters. I will definitely, you'll hear from me again.